Hey guys, it's finally spring and I've been dying to get outside and give our backyard a little spring refresh. I have so much on my to-do list, so I blocked off the whole weekend to tackle some outdoor projects. I have some new yard tools to try out thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Craftsman. I'll share more about those later, but here's what's on my spring refresh checklist. Replace dead plants, wash outdoor cushion covers, power wash deck, power wash outdoor furniture, trim trees and shrubs, mow lawn and cut down weeds, clean exterior windows, and refresh mulch. As you can see, there's a ton on my list, so hopefully this gives you some ideas or some motivation to tackle your own spring checklist. Let's get into it. I'll need to bring some new life to these two pots here on the deck. They're looking pretty rough. There's a layer of pollen covering the deck and all the outdoor furniture, so the power washer will definitely come in handy. This corner of the yard has kind of been neglected. We had some plumbing done and they dug this whole area up, so we'll have to fix that. We had these trees planted last year and they're doing great. Just need to trim some branches and clean up the weeds along the fence line. Lots of weeds and grass to trim along the deck, fence line, and along these scalloped bricks. We have this beautiful nursery that's not too far from us, and I'm headed there to pick up some plants and some soil. I also need to buy some mulch, so let's go shopping. This is my favorite nursery. We got all of our trees and shrubs here last year, and we get all of our lawn feed here. They have so many beautiful flowers to choose from. It took me forever to decide what to plant in our two pots. First, let's give these pots some new life. I'm going with this beautiful pink hydrangea and these pretty yellow and white flowers. I got some new soil to freshen up the old soil as well. Next, I took all the couch cushions off. We get pollen pretty bad here and everything is covered in it, so it's time to get these cleaned up. I'll just toss them in the wash and then I'll usually just have them tumble dry halfway. While those were in the wash, I got out the yard equipment to tackle the yard maintenance jobs. This is a paid partnership with Craftsman. I'm so excited to try out my new outdoor equipment. Here I have the V20 blower, the compact cold water pressure washer, the V20 cordless pruner, and the V20 string trimmer. I have a lot of yard work to get to, and I have no doubt that these tools are up for the challenge. This V20 blower is lightweight, has a compact design. It's also up to 50% less noise than gas blowers. This even has a boost button to remove stubborn debris. I'm using this to clean up the dirt mess that I just made on the deck and to clear off any other debris before pressure washing. Next up, we have the compact cold water pressure washer. I love how compact this is, which will make storing it super easy. It's ideal for lighter duty tasks, perfect for cleaning off the deck and our outdoor furniture. It has multiple quick connect wand tips for various cleaning applications. I used the soap bottle nozzle to spray cleaning solution all over the deck and our furniture, and then used the turbo nozzle to spray everything down. Here is the V20 Cordless Pruner. This pruner is so powerful. It takes 20 times less effort on average to cut than a manual pruner. It's so convenient without a cord and designed to deliver dependable performance. I used it to prune these shrubs, especially where they're brushing up against the house. I also went around the yard and pruned any other long branches or dead branches. Last but not least is the V20 string trimmer. This also has a compact design and it's up to 82% lighter than gas. With a brushless motor, it's capable of achieving high efficiency, long run times, and has a high power output. I honestly had so much fun going around and trimming the weeds and grass up against our fence line, the deck, and other landscape edging. It's so satisfying to have nice, crisp edges, and it really makes a big difference in our overall lawn appearance. Power through your lawn work with ease. Go to your local Craftsman retailer to purchase Craftsman outdoor power equipment. You can find the link to these tools and more information in the description below. Next up is something I have been dreading, but it needed to be done: cleaning the exterior windows. I saved cleaning the inside of the windows for a different weekend, but boy, this needed to be done. There was so much pollen and grossness that has been building up over the winter. Now that the deck is nice and clean and all washed down, I laid out the rug, put the furniture back on the deck, and then put all the covers back on the cushions. Like I mentioned earlier, I just threw these in the wash on a heavy duty setting and then let them tumble dry for a bit, not letting them dry fully before putting them back on the cushions. I did a bunch of weeding earlier and then grabbed a few bags of mulch to freshen up some areas. It's crazy how much of a difference mulch can make. Our landscaping looks so much nicer and fresher. A few final touches and my spring refresh checklist is finally complete. If you're new here, I'll share a quick video of what the backyard looked like before. We spent most of 2023 working on projects in the backyard. This is what it looked like in January of last year. We had a company come in to take out the concrete, and then my husband and I built this giant floating deck. I have an entire 3-part video tutorial series. I will link it below in case you're looking to build your own floating deck this spring. We had my Tough Shed workshop installed and did tons of new landscaping and yard work. I'm so excited to be able to just enjoy the backyard this year. All the major projects are finished. We just need to keep up with some seasonal maintenance, which I actually really enjoy. I checked everything off my spring refresh checklist this weekend, and I don't think our backyard has ever looked so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're able to get outside and enjoy some nice spring weather wherever you are. I'll see you in the next video.